Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm gonna show you guys the sort method. So in the sort method you basically sort stuff. So that was not the best explanation of the world. So let's write this comment, sort method, and let's just have an array over here, array1 equal to let's have some random number. So we have an array of random numbers. I want to sort this stuff, so I can just create another variable and name that array2, and I want to use the sort method on array1, so I can just write sort, then this, and if I console log this array2, I should see the sorted result, right? So if I just save this one, I can see 1, 100, 2, 23, 3, 4. So this is not something that I want to have. I want 1, then I want to have the next number. So the next number is 3, then the next number is 4, and I want 100 here. The last number I want to be 100. So in order to do that, I need to create a function over here and pass two elements, the first element and the second element, and let's just write that function. And here I'm gonna write a and b, and here I'm gonna return a minus b. So if I just write a minus b and hit save, it will give me the array like this: 1, 3, 4, 6, 22, 23, 52, 55, 88, 100. So this is something that you can use with sort, but you have to use you have to give two parameter. These are two element, the first element and the second element, and if you write first element minus second element, then it will return the array like this. If I just do the opposite, like if I do b minus a, then it will give me array like this. It will give me the highest value first, then the lowest value at the last. So like this. So as this can be written in a single line as well, I can just simplify this by removing this and this and this, and here I can just write it like this, because this can be as simple as this, and here. So you can make this as simple as this and hit save, and this will still do the work. If you use b minus a, it will show you the output from highest to lowest. If you write a minus b, it will show the value from lowest to highest. So that's how you can use the sort method, and there will be a lot of times in your project when you can actually reap the benefit of sort method. So yeah, let me know in the comment section whether you fully understood this, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.